Hi, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial on how to crochet this lovely stitch. Some people call it the bobble stitch. It's a very easy stitch, and I'm going to be using Caring Cakes. It's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. It's super soft, and it's about 200 gram. Everyone knows this probably, but I'm just going over, and I'm going to be using a 5mm crochet hook, okay, or a US H8, and I have two balls of this yarn, two cakes. So I already started, and I'm starting with the chain, foundation chainless chain. I just love this because it's very stretchy. I'm holding the camera, so I just wanted to show you how stretchy it is. Sorry about the shaking, unfortunately. Oops. Yeah, it's very stretchy, and I just love it. So I'm gonna be doing 42 wide, and I'll continue crocheting depending how the yarn is gonna be. I'm not gonna go and buy out more yarn because I'm trying to use up my stash. But when these kind of came out, I just had to try them, right? So I bought two, and hopefully it would be enough to crochet this baby blanket that I'm going to be making. I don't have any blues left. I'm sold out of the blue baby blanket, so I just need about 11 more inches to crochet this. And I will put the link below how to crochet the foundation chain. Okay, so if you want to do a chain, you can continue doing chain and then do double crochet or single crochet on the first row, but I did this foundation because I like the stretchiness of it, and I just skipped the second process of doing it. So if you're doing the chain, I would turn my work and then go to the third, but I'm not doing a chain, so 1 2 3. If you're doing a chain, go to the third and do 2 double crochets on the same spot, but I'm not doing a chain, so what I'm going to do is turning my work, so this would be considered as a single crochet, and on the first I'm going to do 2 double crochets right, oops, 2 double crochets right there. Okay, and then I'm going to skip 2, and then on the third I'm going to do a single crochet. So if you want to do the chain, you can chain multiple of 3. But I like this, like I said, I really enjoy, I'm happy that I found out how to do this. So I do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets on the same, and I skip 2 again, and then I do a single crochet. So it's just a repeat to create these clusters. And I believe this stitch is called the riddle stitch. Just to let you know, if people are asking. So we continue like this all the way to the end, and I will meet you at the end on how to crochet the riddle stitch. Okay, now I'm at the end. So I did the single crochet, 2 double crochet, and I'm skipping 2, 1, 2, and on the third, let's pretend this is the third. It might not be, but let's pretend. So I'm just going to do a single crochet, and I'm going to chain my work. So at the end you will always be ending up with a single crochet. I did not count my chains, so it's done perfectly. So I'm turning my work back, and I am going to do 2 double crochets here. Like at the beginning, remember we started with 2 double crochets, so it's the same method. So this is how we will be doing. We will end up with 1 single crochet and start with 2 double crochets. Okay, so I'm going to continue skipping 1, 2. I do apologize, unfortunately. The yarn that demonstrating turned to be navy. I hope you can see it. I'm sure you can see it. It's not that hard to see. It's just, yeah, the colors on this yarn is this color. And I think I forgot to mention the name of the color if someone asks. Just grab from my trash here. And if I think I did forget to mention. Like I said, these yarns are all made in Turkey. It's way cheaper there, but when you live in America, in the continent of America, in Canada, the prices are pretty high. So this is 17025 Berries and Cream. The name of the color, Berries and Cream, yeah. And I'm planning to make this for a boy. Okay, so I'm going to be skipping 1, 2, and on the third I'm just going to repeating what we did on the previous row. So do single crochet, 2 double crochet, and this is all to it. Yeah, this is all to it, and it's really fun, and it gives you that bobbly look. If you look at it, it gives you that bobbly look. On my previous tutorial, I did a marshmallow stitch, and that one is 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet, and you skip 2 and you just repeat. But this one is done 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, and I am planning, just to give you an idea, if you want these bobblies more thicker, you can do 3 or even 4 double crochets to give that. See, it creates that bobbly look, and I love it. It gives you that 3D look. Yeah, and then you do 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, and this is all to it. So this is a very short tutorial, and I hope you liked it. And it's very easy and simple. So like I said, you chain multiple of 3. And I did the foundation, so I just measured 42 inches long, and I'm going to use up all the yarn I have, and I don't think this is going to be enough for a perfect size. I might need to go and buy another one, but I do not want to. Just want to use all the yarn that I have. As you know, I have containers full of yarn. Okay, I did empty, I believe, 11 of my containers, so that was a relief. So I'm planning to empty more, and I will post pictures of my new stash. Okay, so again, like I said, this is a short tutorial. It's the riddle stitch, and it's very easy and simple. You just do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting! La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.